we have Christine D. Michele is going to share a song with us and sing us into the next section of our morning. And this is the day we've been restarting everybody's computer again. I think it was just so much excited. It overloaded the system. But thank you for all of your wonderful patience throughout this. And Christine, I am going to put you in the spotlight as soon as I can track you down. There you are. I'm putting you in the spotlight. Christine is a wonderful singer who has been with us since early days of Human Dignity, Humiliation Studies, and she's going to sing us into our morning. Christine.
I was very inspired by Tony's talk yesterday, and so last night I just got an inspiration to sing this song for you, which tells us the story of how influential, at least for me, how influential the music of the Black community has been for all of us, and especially for me as a singer and a trained jazz singer. So this is just a little snippet for you. Joseph's face was as black as night. The pale yellow moon shone in his eyes. His path was marked by the stars of the southern hemisphere, and he walked the length of his days under African skies. This is the story of how we begin to remember. This is the powerful pulsing of love in the vein. After dreaming and falling, calling your name out. These are the roots of rhythm, and the roots of rhythm remain. Joseph's face was black as night. The pale yellow moon shone in his eyes. His path was marked by the stars of the southern hemisphere, and he walked the length of his days under African skies. And he walked the length of his days under African skies. And he walked the length of his days under African skies. And he walked the length of his days under African skies.
Thank you so much, Christine. It's so wonderful to hear your voice. What an appropriate song. We're glad, so glad we could have you with us to share your talent. And we have some wonderful singers in our group, don't we, everyone?